Think Madrid is only for big spenders, a playground for the wealthy? Think again. Madrid isn't just about luxury. It's a city that welcomes savvy travelers seeking authentic experiences without breaking the bank. Madrid welcomes everyone, especially smart travelers who know how to uncover its hidden gems. It's a city for all, regardless of budget. Ready to explore Madrid in a whole new way? Let's do this. Follow along as we venture off the beaten path to discover a side of Madrid most tourists miss, revealing the city's authentic soul. Let's prove that an amazing adventure is possible for anyone with curiosity, a thirst for discovery, and a well-thought-out plan. Start your day the Spanish way with churros and hot chocolate. Head to a local chocolate shop for crispy churros and thick, rich hot chocolate. Delicious and cheap. Once you've eaten, hit the heart of Spain, Puerto del Sol. Take a photo at the bear and strawberry tree statue and stand on kilometer 0. Watch people and soak in the city's energy, absolutely free. Next, walk to Plaza Mayor through one of its 9 archways. Admire the stunning red brick buildings and imagine centuries of history. Skip the pricey cafes, the views and atmosphere are what you're here for. This morning is about getting deep into Madrid's center. Walk through history, see the famous spots, and feel how big the city is. By 11 a.m., you've seen major sites for just a few euros. Focus on experiences over how much they cost. You're not just a tourist, you're an explorer. The day's just getting started. This is budget travel at its best. Time for tapas at Mercado de San Miguel. This historic iron and glass market is a food lover's paradise. Look around the stalls, eat standing up like locals, and try a variety of Spanish bites. Gilda skewer, fried calamari, Spanish omelet, or croquettes, each for just a couple euros. Mix and match for a full, delicious lunch under 10 euros. Grab a small beer or wine to complete the experience. Eating here is a food adventure. Move from stall to stall, enjoying Spain's best. The market is busy with locals and travelers alike. It's more than a meal, it's a cultural experience. By eating this way, you save money and dive into Madrid's food scene. No need for a fancy restaurant. This is real, affordable, and fun. You've explored a popular food spot without the big price tag. Let's see what's next. Madrid's flavors keep coming. It's time for a change of pace, a breath of fresh air amidst the urban landscape. El Retiro Park awaits, beckoning with its tranquil charm. Once the exclusive royal gardens, this sprawling oasis has transformed into a 350-acre peaceful haven for everyone. As you step inside, the relentless city noise begins to fade, replaced by the soothing sounds of nature taking over. Make your way to the grand monument dedicated to King Alfonso XIII, a majestic centerpiece overlooking the serene lake. Here, you can watch rowboats gently glide across the water, creating a picturesque scene. Wander along the winding paths, each turn revealing hidden fountains, impressive statues, and the stunning glass Crystal Palace. Inside, you'll often find free art exhibitions, adding a touch of culture to your nature escape. Observe the locals as they jog along the trails, families enjoying picnics on the grass, and musicians filling the air with lively tunes. Immerse yourself in the relaxed Spanish vibe that permeates every corner of the park. Find a shady bench beneath the trees, take a moment to rest, and savor a delicious snack. And if you happen to be visiting when it's in bloom, don't miss the vibrant and fragrant rose garden, a true feast for the senses. El Retiro Park perfectly illustrates that the best travel experiences are often the ones that don't cost a thing. You've immersed yourself in history, and now you're embracing nature and relaxation, all without spending a single penny. Madrid's full range of experiences is now yours to discover, and your wallet remains happy and intact. So, with renewed energy, let's keep going and explore more of what this amazing city has to offer. From the bustling Puerto del Sol, consider joining a free walking tour. These tours operate on a pay-what-you-wish basis at the end, allowing you to contribute based on your enjoyment and budget. Knowledgeable guides will share captivating stories and point out hidden details that you would likely miss if exploring on your own, providing a deeper understanding of the city's rich history and culture. For art enthusiasts, Madrid boasts world-class museums that offer free admission during specific hours. The renowned Prado Museum opens its doors for free most evenings, giving you the chance to admire masterpieces by iconic Spanish artists like Goya and Velázquez. The Reina Sofia Museum, home to Picasso's powerful Guernica, also provides free entry at certain times, allowing you to experience modern and contemporary art without breaking the bank. Plan your afternoon and early evening around these free admission times to enjoy top-notch art at absolutely no cost. The walking tours offer you the city's captivating story, while the museums reveal its artistic heart and soul. By being smart and strategic, you can see priceless art and delve into fascinating history without spending a fortune. This is the essence of smart, budget-friendly travel. Madrid's vibrant culture is yours to explore and experience, offering a wealth of opportunities for discovery and enrichment. Quick summary: public transport and local apps are your best friends for extra savings. Madrid's best sights and experiences are absolutely within reach, even on a budget. Remember, travel is about the experiences you gather, the memories you create, not about how much money you spend. You did it. One unforgettable day in Madrid, and guess what? Your wallet is still happy. Now go make even more memories. Pro tips: invest in a transit pass for easy and affordable travel. Always check for free museum entry times and download local apps for exclusive deals and discounts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly travel guides. We're here to help you see the world without breaking the bank. This is budget travel at its finest. Smart, savvy, and full of incredible moments. It's about making informed choices and prioritizing experiences over extravagance. As the sun begins its descent, make your way to Templo de Debod, an authentic ancient Egyptian temple, a gift from Egypt to Madrid. Perched atop Parque del Oeste, it provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city. But the real magic unfolds at sunset. The city is bathed in golden light, reflecting beautifully in the surrounding pools, creating wide, stunning vistas. Locals and travelers alike flock here, some sharing wine, others strumming guitars, all simply soaking in the moment. It's a place of peace, beauty, and best of all, it's completely free. Watch as the city transforms, the royal palace standing proudly in the distance, and the sky erupts in a symphony of colors. This is Madrid's soul revealed during the golden hour, the perfect transition from day to night. It's a reminder that the most precious things in travel and in life are often those that cost nothing. Ready to embrace the evening? Let's dive in. As night descends, Madrid's vibrant neighborhoods awaken. Consider Malasaña for its undeniable artistic energy, captivating street art, and charming old-fashioned shops. Wander through its narrow, winding streets, browse the unique boutiques, and feel the creative heartbeat of the city. Alternatively, venture to La Latina, one of Madrid's most historic neighborhoods. Its ancient streets are teeming with authentic tapas bars and rich history. While El Rastro Flea Market buzzes with activity on Sundays, any evening is ideal for a leisurely stroll. Cava Baja and Cava Alta streets are particularly renowned for their incredible tapas scene. Both neighborhoods offer a genuine glimpse into local life. Observe friends laughing and chatting, music flowing from open doorways, and the city's infectious night rhythm. Explore these areas on foot, uncover hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners, and fully immerse yourself in the atmosphere. This is the authentic Madrid, far removed from the typical tourist trails. It's the perfect way to spend your early evening hours. Next on the agenda, dinner. Culminate your day with a delicious and budget-friendly dinner. Indulge in a bocadillo de calamares, Madrid's iconic squid sandwich, for just a few euros. Or seek out a local eatery serving authentic paella, or a tempting daily special meal. Steer clear of the crowded tourist traps. Instead, look for establishments bustling with locals. After your satisfying dinner, experience Madrid's vibrant nightlife without overspending. Discover a cozy bar in either Malasaña or La Latina, where you can enjoy affordable beer or wine. For a truly unforgettable experience, head to a rooftop bar like Círculo de Bellas Artes, splurge on one drink, and soak in the breathtaking panoramic city views. Remember to utilize public transport and local apps to maximize your savings. You've successfully explored the best of Madrid on a budget. Always remember, travel is about the experiences you cherish, not the amount of money you spend. You've done it. You've created an unforgettable day in Madrid, and your wallet is still smiling. Now go forth and create even more incredible memories.